Yes, moving on now, the Ministry of Home Affairs has approved a study to analyze radicalization in India. The study will suggest practical solutions to prevent the problem and also indicate how the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act can be amended. It will be headed by the Professor of Criminology, G.S. Bajpai, is also the Registrar of the National Law University. The study is going to be conducted in Maharashtra, Assam, Kerala and Jammu and Kashmir, where there are cases of radicalization that have been reported in large numbers. This study is an interesting study. It's going to be titled Status of Radicalization in India, an exploratory study of prevention and remedies.
We need to define them also legally, because without defining them legally, probably the police forces will not be able to respond to them. So yes, definitely we are going to define radicalization, de-radicalization, counter radicalization and also disengagement. Disengagement is the very first stage. So these things have their own existence in other jurisdictions. In several other countries they have already looked at these issues and they have come out with legal policies on the subject. So we are definitely thinking to do similar things.
Now, along with radicalization, this particular study is also going to look at whether the UAPA is in need of any amendments. This is again an act which is said to be draconian by many. And welcoming this, AIMIM leader Asaduddin Owaisi has said that UAPA has been used over years to imprison innocent Muslims, Dalits and dissenters.
तो UAPA एक ड्रैकोनियन कानून है और इसकी जिम्मेदारी कांग्रेस और बीजेपी पर आयद होती है। दुनिया में कोई भी ऐसा देश नहीं है जहां पर कोई कानून में 120 दिन का डिटेंशन होता है। चाहे यूएस का पेट्रियट एक्ट ले लीजिए या यूके ले लीजिए या रशिया ले लीजिए, 120 दिन का। और वो जो अमेंडमेंट्स कांग्रेस ने किए और बीजेपी ने किए, मेरी राय में वो अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है, वो राइट टू इक्वालिटी के प्रिंसिपल्स के खिलाफ हैं।